us, Isha. We finally heard something from the Delhi police, a detailed statement obviously awaited.
Right, yes. A detailed statement to confirm the exact nature of the explosion is awaited. But showing you around here the visuals from the ground, you can see that more forces have gone towards the explosion site. We are about 100 meters away from the spot, and we're showing you the visuals there. This entire area has been cordoned off as well. In fact, all teams are currently working with the forensic team to ensure that all the necessary action can take place. But also, Pranesh, important to note here the details, because this really proves that this was an explosion which was extremely serious in nature. This area is at least 150 meters away from the spot, but you can still see that there are fragments of glass lying there. There are lone shoes lying there, so we can imagine. In fact, we saw a shoe of a child also here. So this does definitely prove. We'll also go towards the other side. Request from camera person Radhi to come along here so that we can show our viewers more visuals of the location. This is where the spot where we've been stopped. But you can see here, we'll in fact show more visuals. You can see that glass is also scattered here, Pranesh. So even though the blast took place 150 meters away from here, but the extent of the damage is visible here as well. We spoke to eyewitnesses as well. They told us that this entire area was what they saw was set on fire, and they ran away to save their lives. They also saw that a biker was set on flame as the explosion took place. What it is seeming like our colleagues have also been pointing out, that this is extremely serious in nature. More ambulances queuing in, more fire tenders. The fire tenders have now stopped, considering the fire has been doused. But again, now all teams ensuring the PM, the HM, everybody has taken stock of the situation.
That's right.
But yes,
Isha, just stay with us. Madhav, what we know so far is that 8 people have died, around 20 are injured. They've been taken to the nearest hospital. We have a word from the medical superintendent there. The Prime Minister has been briefed by the Union Home Minister. Amit Shah, the Union Home Minister, was briefed by Delhi CP and IB Chief. Take it away, Madhav.
Well, absolutely. And in fact, as you rightly put it, at the highest levels, of course, this is customary. The police commissioner will speak to the Home Secretary, top MHA officials, and even the Home Minister, and also, of course, the Prime Minister, in fact, speaking is what we know. But let me just give you a little bit of the lay of the land, as it were, Pranesh, where this unfortunate incident has taken place. Where we are standing is actually the main location, at that red light, and whereabouts of that is where that slow-moving vehicle that the Commissioner of Police was referring to stopped at the red light. The explosion happened in that vehicle, and due to that explosion, also been damaged. As we have put out already, the Forensic Science Laboratory, the National Investigation Agency, Crime Branch, several such wings of the police who are currently here, and several, while
Madhav, this description of the vehicle is actually quite alarming. The fact that the Delhi police has said that the blast was triggered in a moving car that stopped suddenly tells you a lot.
Absolutely, and it's not just the fact that it was a moving car, Pranesh. The fact that there have been body parts found over 200 meters away from where that location was gives you a sense of what really was the kind of intensity of the explosion and the idea behind this particular blast. Certainly, of course, it appears to be something that is a premeditated attack in that sense, though we have not heard that officially. But from the story that we're hearing officially from senior police officials such as the Commissioner, certainly that appears to be the case at this moment. And one thing that is very, very evident, very, very clear, is that this area has been chosen specifically. Just look at the kind of time when this has happened at around 7 this evening, which is in fact peak hour time. That's the time when in such crowded market areas you have office goers who would come in, and it would be completely chock-a-block. So all of this really goes to show that at least indicates some kind of a purposeful act behind it. We are